How is it going every day? Working on escort again. I know this should hopefully be quite quick for the last video getting uploaded. It should only be maybe 4 or 5 days because I'm making a bit of progress at the minute. And the last video actually done really good. This is the day after I uploaded the last video, and actually done quite good. I was quite happy with that. So obviously I don't know, I can't remember. I mean, I got maybe 10, 11 subscribers for that video when the first 12 viewers had been up or something. So I'm happy with that. Obviously my channel isn't exactly big, so I'm happy with that. It's good, it's exciting for me. It's actually given me a bit of motivation to keep going with this, because I was losing a bit of interest there. So I've done a bit today on my lunch and stuff at work, so I've just got to show you what I've done, and then we'll be making a move and doing some more. I put the front bumper on. The bumper just slides on and off, so we can get it on and off the trailer on these pins. So it really didn't take much, and finally put this headlight in, which is taking forever to get done. And obviously it's back on with the plate top and bottom, so it feeds the filter. And then when the bonnet's on, this is all enclosed, so it should get cold air. And other thing, obviously my panels are through here now, sounds like it's all painted, and it's not actually fitted yet, but Alistair sat the boot lid on and I've just sat the spoiler on. Still got the window to go in as well, but you can see just that it's definitely starting to take shape. And the only other thing I got done today was I wired up the lights. That switch. So we finally got lights again, which is exciting for me. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy to have lights again. And the rear should be on as well. And rears are on. Obviously my rain light goes in the middle, so that wire there is the feed for the rain light. So it's definitely, yeah. So it's definitely looking good. I'm definitely happy with the progress we're making. The only thing that's left to wire up now is wipers and brake lights. Brake lights is more or less wired up. That's run right to the brakes. All I need to do is just run the rest of the wiring in there, but the lights and stuff are all wired up, and I need to tape all the wires up now into a loom as well, which shouldn't take long, but we're definitely making good progress here. The other thing I got done today, I forgot about that, was I got the clutch cable in finally, so that is now in as well, so I'm quite happy with that. Definitely happy with how everything's going together at the minute. How's it going? So this is a day later, and I've been spending odd. Amber's here to help video and stuff, but she doesn't like being videoed, so she's no going to be in the video, but she'll be doing videoing hopefully. But what I've been trying to do for most of the night is wire up a rev counter. I just cannot get a rev counter. I already had the dash, like the rev counter in the dash modified for wasted spark, because this run wasted spark when it was I had like the T34 on it in greys and anti-lag, and that was like a grouping kind of spec. So I had the dash modified already for wasted spark, but I just double checked on that. It's definitely still all intact. I still can't get a rev counter. It did work with wasted spark in the ECU before this, the ECU that failed, and then when we fitted this ECU, it's actually never even been mapped for my car, and it ran a full year, not even been mapped, and it never gave us any issues. But apart from that, when we fitted that ECU, that is Alistair's spare ECU for his, is it? No, in fact it's the ECU for his 2.4 Cosy. But he got that about, I don't know, maybe 10 plus years ago. And when I was reading online, it says loads of the early driver boards for wasted spark didn't come with like a rev counter function, if that makes sense. So I'm thinking that's possibly my issue, because I've also tried another 3 rev counters, but no Cosy ones, like just an Elliott one, a Formula Ford, an eBay one, and another like stack replica thing, and nothing could work. Nothing could read off it, no matter which, because even the Elliott one's like adjustable, so you can fine tune it, and even that's no use me in a kick off it. So I can only assume that it's the ECU that's causing this, but at the end of the day I have raced for a couple of years without a rev counter, so I'm not that bothered. I wired up my charging light today, so I can actually run it. It is actually ready to run, believe it or not. So I think that's what we're going to do now. Right, so as you can see, I've got the Elliott one in the new, and I've wired it all up. and I'm just hoping that in the future we can figure something out. So it's all wired up anyway, but it will not work. But we do have a charging light, and that's all that matters here, and it should actually fire up. So I know I did say that Amber was up to help us video, but we went to video and realised the cameras go 5% battery, so I didn't video in it because I wanted to keep it for the new, just to show you what we've all got done and just to run at the end of the video. And I know the last wee fire up wasn't exactly dramatic, so I'll probably do a wee fire up and let it run for a couple of minutes just to let it run. It's not ran in 3 months, so may as well. But I'll just got to show you what we've all got done. So we've got, as you can see, the front end's on. I put both doors are now on, and they also shut. I've not got the door handles on the outside because there was some white overspray on them for the last time it was painted, so I can just open it with the inside handle and shut. So that's both doors, and I'll just cut that down on our side. The only real thing that needs to go in is the windows and the bonnet, and as you can see in this side I've got all my dash on. I've wired up just that one gauge. I think I said that earlier that we've got to do that with the shift light. No, shift light, sorry, charge light. And I've got all my dash back in, just how it should be. The only reason this wire is sticking out, just in case you're wondering, that's going to be for my wipers. The other 2 wires are still sitting in there, but I need a 3-way toggle, if that makes sense. I've not got one here, just so I can have 2 different speeds for my wipers. That's it. It's definitely not far away. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll probably do a wee fire up now and just let it run for a few minutes, probably till the camera runs out of battery, and that'll do it. So I hope you've enjoyed it. It's obviously a big step that it's running, so I'm chuffed. Hope you are.